All right, guys, welcome back. It's another ACT question. This time, they want to know what is the x-intercept of the graph of y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 4, guys. So one of these answers here will make the entire problem zero out, guys. The x-intercept, let me write this down for you. The x-intercept, guys, when they talk about it, another term for that is the solution. If they ask you for the zeros or the root of the equation, same thing, guys. And so x-intercept, solution, zero, root, they mean the exact same thing. So this one, they want to know which one of these numbers right here, when you plug it in for x, will make the entire equation zero out, okay? Will make the problem equal to zero. So guys, I'm just going to go in. Remember, each one of these values, they represent x, all right? So you can definitely plug and chug this one and get the correct answer. But let me show you how to find the x-intercept. To find the x-intercept for this one, guys, you want to take your quadratic equation. How do I know it's a quadratic equation? I've got an x squared term. That's my highest degree, guys. When it's a quadratic, the highest degree is 2. So now, guys, I'm going to set it equal to 0. And then I'm going to factor this. Now, when I factor this, it's an easy problem to factor. I split up x squared into x times x. I want to find two factors of 4, as in two numbers that multiply to give me 4, whose sum, as in add, to give you a -4. They multiply to give you 4, but when you add them together, you get a -4. So both of these factors will be -2 and -2. Now, what do you notice? This is a repeated factor. It's a binomial, a repeated binomial. So you can rewrite it as a binomial square. So now, guys, all you have to do is take what's inside the parentheses, set it equal to 0, and solve. Or you can ask yourself this question: what number, representing x, what number minus the 2, guys, okay? What number, what value minus 2 will make this entire parentheses equal to 0? So you can do this in your head. In other words, guys, you could just look at it and figure it out. So what number right here minus the 2 will make this entire parentheses 0? And that has to be x equals to 2. And so, guys, we know the answer already. Now, if you want to go ahead and guess and check, you can. So I would start with the easiest number. I would do the 0 first. If I go in and substitute 0 in for every single x, guys, this will simplify to 4. So that's not going to work. I want it to equal to 0. Next, I would try the 1. So I go in and plug in 1 for every single x and then work it out, guys. Obviously, this one is not going to be 0 because -3 plus 4 is going to give you a +1. So that's not going to work out either. So now I'm going to go for the positive. And guys, 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 4. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 4. And when you add it all up, yeah, you get your 0. So guys, there's your answer. All right. So just like that, we are done. As always, guys, I highly recommend you bring a calculator. It makes a difference when you have a calculator on this test. Remember, guys, as I always say, 60 questions, 60 answers. So don't leave anything blank. That's it for now, guys. Until next time, bye.